Introduction to the Uniform Appraisal Dataset, Chapter 3, Uniform Appraisal Dataset, Appendix D, Page 2, UAD and USPAP. As appraisers know, USPAP establishes minimum requirements for appraisal development reporting. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac both require USPAP compliance in appraisal reports. However, this is a minimum. Both GSEs also establish additional development and reporting requirements for their appraisal assignments, which are considered under USPAP to be assignment conditions, and it was highlighted. USPAP requires appraisers to comply with applicable assignment conditions in the performance of an appraisal assignment. From Appendix D, conforming to the UAD is in addition to and does not replace appraisers' development and reporting responsibilities as required by the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP. Contrary to the opinions of some online pundits and self-proclaimed experts, there are no conflicts between USPAP and the data entry requirements of the UAD. The UAD does not limit the information that the appraiser provides in the appraisal report. A frequently asked question on Fannie Mae's website asks, is there any limitation on the information that may be provided in the appraisal report? The response? No. The appraisal report must provide any and all information that is necessary to communicate an appraisal in a manner that is not misleading and contains sufficient information to enable the intended users of the appraisal to understand the report properly. There are limitations as to what can be reported within the body of the standard appraisal report forms based on space constraints and data readability. However, the appraiser is expected to continue to provide all necessary additional information and classifications within the report through the addition of a text addendum, photo addenda, maps, sketches, and any other additional information necessary to produce a credible and understandable report. Another frequently asked question on Fannie Mae's website asks, some users and readers of appraisal reports, such as borrowers, may not understand some of the standardized responses and abbreviations mandated by the UAD. Do appraisal reports that are completed using the UAD abbreviations conform to the USPAP? The response is, appraisers can include the UAD definitions and abbreviations from the field-specific standardization requirements as an addendum to the appraisal report so that users and readers of appraisal reports are able to understand the UAD required standardized responses and definitions. Appraisers remain responsible for ensuring compliance with USPAP requirements. When appropriate, an appraiser must supplement the information provided in any appraisal report form being used in order to comply with the appraisal reporting requirements of USPAP. So, as usual, it is up to us to explain everything in our reports sufficiently so that the reader is not misled. Many appraisers do routinely add at least some of the applicable UAD definitions and abbreviations in their addenda. End of page 31%.